Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to solder an XLR connector using a Flex-Vise. In this video, I'm going to use the Flex-Vise, the alligator clip adapter, and the XLR adapter. Here, I'm going to solder a audio cable. It's a 3-conductor, high, low, and ground to a XLR connector. So what I do is I clip this onto the alligator clip so I can tin the cable. Add a little solder to each wire. That's good. Here we're going to solder an XLR chassis mount. It's a 3-pin audio connector which uses mainly in broadcast. And I'm going to add solder to the solder cups and take the cable off the alligator clip. I always solder the hot first because I know if I do it that way then I won't get it backwards because the male and female are opposite. So we just add a little solder here. Just make sure your soldering iron is nice and hot, and should go pretty well. Here we go. Looks good. Now just taking it off, examining it, and what we're going to do now is slide the heat shrink up to just kind of finish it off. It adds a little bit of insulation to the end of the cable. A lot of pros do it this way. Some people don't, but I prefer to. Now I'm going to turn on my heat gun and just shrink it down. Takes probably 10 seconds, but you have a much better product. It's worth the few extra seconds that it takes to do that. And there you go. You got a very nice XLR ready to go.